Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video I will help you how to fix page is not available right now on Instagram. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your settings and click on apps and notifications. And after this click on see all the 92 apps. And scroll down and find Instagram. So click on Instagram and click on force stop. Click here. Okay. And after this click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. So after this go back and open your Play Store and search here Instagram. And make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it. So after this go back and open your settings again and click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is connected. So if your Wi-Fi is not connected, then go back and click on SIM card and mobile network and on your mobile data. So after this go back and open your settings again and scroll down and click on systems. After this click on reset option and reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Click here and click on reset settings. So after doing these steps, your account will be fine. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share.